Hello, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can make a Windows program with a graphical user interface. We are going to make a program which contains one button, and as soon as we press the button it's going to show us a message box with particular text. Okay, first of all, download Visual Studio. Now this is the official Visual Studio website. It's from Microsoft. Don't click any other websites, just go to this domain and you are correct. Let's go to download and download the community version. It's free, so download this. After it has downloaded, it's going to open up a little window in which you have to choose C#, .NET, Windows Development and make this little checkbox, and then it's going to install all the components and of course the IDE. Once you are done, you get this window and you just hit create new project. It's in German for me because I speak German, but your text should be create new project, of course. Now hit Windows Forms app, .NET Framework. Now give it a name. I'm going to name my app tutorial. Okay, hit create. You can of course change your path if you wish. It's going to take some time, but as soon as this closes, another window will open. Now it's on my secondary monitor. Let me just quickly, here it is. Okay, now we have this window. The first thing we are going to make is the title here. We don't want this to be form 1. So go to there and change it to, let's say, my app. Hit enter and see, it's my app now. If we start this, it opens a window. First of all, it builds it, then it's going to open a window, and yeah, it looks exactly like in the preview because we haven't added any things yet. So let's change this. Go to toolbox. Whoops. If your toolbox is empty, click on the white screen and then click again, then it will be full. Now we are going to search for button. Boom. Let's make it bigger and change the text to hello. We can also make our font bigger. Let's say 24 pixels. Yeah, that's good. So if you want another font, you can go to these 3 dots and then change the font. Let's make this font. Yeah, looks kind of cool. Okay, let's hit Ctrl and S and hit play. See, our button is there. We can click it, but nothing happens. So let's add some code. For this, we are going to double click the button, 1, 2, and it opens the code for this button. It made us a function in C#. You can also call this method. And what we want is, as soon as you click the button, it's going to open a message box. A message box like if you get an error in any program and it says error code 2254 or something. Exactly that kind of message box we want to create, but without the error, of course. So let's write message box. Message box. Here you can click here, double click. Okay, dot, and then show, because we want to show a message box, and then we can just do the text. Let's say hello. We can do a comma and say this is the title and of course a semicolon at the end. Now if we execute the program, it shows our app, and if you click the button, it opens a message box. This is the title, hello. Of course you can improve this app by adding much more other things in the toolbox. See, I mean, you have pretty much endless opportunities. So if you want me to make another tutorial where we maybe make a more professional app, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I will see you soon in the next video.